Make $300 per day using ChatGPT. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can use ChatGPT to generate blog post ideas and make money through affiliate marketing. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that can help you with a variety of tasks, including generating blog post ideas. So if you're a blogger or an affiliate marketer looking to increase your revenue, then this video is for you. Section 1. What is ChatGPT? Before we dive into how to use ChatGPT to generate blog post ideas and make money through affiliate marketing, let's briefly talk about what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art natural language processing model that uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to text-based inputs. It's capable of understanding and responding to a wide range of natural language inputs, including questions, statements, and requests. Section 2. Using ChatGPT to generate blog post ideas. Now that we've talked about what ChatGPT is, let's dive into how to use it to generate blog post ideas. The first step is to access the ChatGPT platform, which you can do by visiting the OpenAI website. Once you're on the platform, you can input a topic or keyword related to your niche, and ChatGPT will generate a list of potential blog post ideas for you. You can then use these ideas to create high-quality, engaging content that will attract more traffic to your blog. Section 3. Using affiliate marketing to make money. Now that you have your blog post ideas, it's time to start thinking about how to monetize your blog. One of the best ways to do this is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a process by which you promote someone else's product or service on your blog and earn a commission on any sales that result from your promotion. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to find a product or service that's relevant to your niche and sign up for their affiliate program. Once you're approved, you can start promoting the product or service on your blog using a unique affiliate link. Section 4. Combining ChatGPT and affiliate marketing. Now that you understand how to use ChatGPT to generate blog post ideas and how to use affiliate marketing to make money, it's time to combine these two strategies. By using ChatGPT to generate blog post ideas that are relevant to your niche, you can create content that's optimized for promoting the products or services you're affiliated with. This will help you attract more traffic to your blog and increase your chances of making sales through your affiliate links. Conclusion. In conclusion, using ChatGPT to generate blog post ideas and affiliate marketing to make money is a powerful combination that can help you achieve your blogging and revenue goals. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can leverage the power of ChatGPT to generate high-quality content that's optimized for affiliate marketing and start earning more money from your blog today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.